The 2-3 zone wins amateur games. It has no business winning. By the end of this video, you will have 5 plays that break it, and you will know exactly which one to call. Here is the whole system in 20 seconds. First, 30 seconds on why the zone hurts you. Nobody is guarding your best player. They are guarding ground. So when you hold the ball and survey, 5 defenders just sit in their spots, and every driving lane is closed before you even start. But every zone pays for that, with 3 soft spots. You can make 2 defenders argue over 1 gap. You can move the ball faster than the zone can shift. Or you can put a player behind the defenders, where nobody's job is to see him. Every play in this video attacks one of those 3. Play 1. The short corner flash. Set up in a 2-1-2 look. Your point guard on top, wings at the free throw line extended, and both bigs on the blocks. The spot we want is the short corner. That little pocket between the block and the sideline. No zone defender owns it. Swing the ball to the wing and flash your big to the short corner. Now the bottom defender has to choose. If he steps out to cover, the lane behind him is open. Your other big dives to the front of the rim. Easy duck in, easy layup. That one pass forces a decision the bottom defender was never coached to make. And if he stays home, your big catches in the short corner, turns, and faces. He has a wide open 10-footer, or one dribble to the baseline for a reverse. Either answer works. Once you punish it twice, that corner is open all night. Keep feeding it possession after possession until the defense proves it can actually stop it, because most zones never do. Play 2. The cross-court skip. Same alignment, different soft spot. This time we attack the zone's speed. A zone is 5 defenders shifting together, and every swing pass makes all 5 move. The farther the ball travels, the farther they have to slide. Most teams only swing it 1 pass at a time, which gives the defense all the time it needs to recover. So swing it, and just when the whole zone leans to the ball side, throw it over the top, all the way cross-court. No zone rotates that fast. Your shooter is alone in the corner with time to set his feet. Corner 3. If the wing defender sells out and closes hard, do not settle. Pump fake, 1 dribble inside, and now you are in the gap with 2 defenders scrambling. Hit the short corner or finish the drive. The skip is not just a shot, it is a crack in the whole shell. Run it 2 or 3 times a game and defenses start cheating early, which opens even more room on the next pass. Play 3. The high post flash. Look at the middle of a 2-3 zone. 2 defenders up top, 3 across the bottom. The free throw line belongs to nobody. That is the zone's blind spot, right behind the guards' heads. Most teams never attack it because it feels crowded, but that is exactly why it worked. Flash your 4-man from the weak side straight to the free throw line and hit him as he arrives. The moment he catches, the zone is broken. He can turn and shoot the free throw jumper or look over either shoulder at a big ceiling inside. Time the flash so he catches just as the passer's eyes come up, and the zone never gets the extra half second it needs. And when the bottom of the zone collapses on him, that is the best outcome of all. Both corners are now empty, 1 kick-out pass away from a wide-open 3. The high post catch forces the zone to pick its poison every single time, and the more athletic your 4-man is at that spot, the worse the choice gets for the defense. Play 4. The overload. Here is the math problem. A 2-3 zone has 2 defenders on each side and 1 in the middle. So put 4 attackers on one side, corner, wing, short corner, and the point sliding over. 4 against 3, guaranteed. Now just move the ball around the overload. Wing, corner, short corner, back to the wing. Somewhere in the first 2 passes, a defender has to cover 2 men at once. When he commits to one, hit the other. The zone cannot fix this without leaving the weak side complete, which is exactly the counter. If they send the weak side wing across to even the numbers, your 5th man is alone on the entire other half of the floor. 1 skip pass, and it is a layup line. Overload plus skip is the full checkmate. And the beauty is you can run it from either side of the floor with the exact same spacing. Play 5. Screen the zone. Most teams never do this, and it is the closest thing to a cheat code. Zone defenders guard areas, so nobody expects to get screened. Put your big on the outside shoulder of the bottom corner defender and tell your shooter to start deep in the corner. This works against almost any zone alignment because the defender is watching the ball, not the man setting up behind him. Now swing the ball toward that corner. The bottom defender tries to slide out, and he runs straight into the screen. Your shooter lifts from the corner to the wing, catches, and shoots. It is the cleanest three you will generate all game. If the zone switches it, and the middle defender sprints out to the shooter, the screener just turns and seals him. Now throw it inside. He is 1 foot from the rim, with a smaller man on his back. Screen the zone late in a close game, and it looks like magic, because nobody in that defense practices fighting through a screen they were never taught to expect. So which one do you call? Watch the zone for one possession. That is all it takes. If the bottom defenders are slow, sliding out, throw the skip. If the guards up top pressure hard, flash the high post right behind them. If the zone is long and covers ground fast, overload one side and make 3 defenders guard 4. If they ignore the short corner, flash it and feast. And when you need one clean look late in a close game, screen the zone. One read, one call, one bucket. Every play in this video is also a 30-second short you can send straight to your team. They are all on the channel. Steal all 5, run them this weekend, and watch which one your point guard reaches for first when the game is close. And subscribe, because next week, we break the 1-3-1.